Hello guys, um, welcome to today's session. In today's session, I'm going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have this coming week. So I'm going to be breaking down from the weekly perspective, obviously starting with DXY. With DXY, we can see prices created a new higher high, breaking these highs. Last week, we can see with last week's candle closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum on this descending trend line. So that's a break and retest, obviously. So what I'm anticipating to see this week is prices to kind of give us that continuation right here, because we are in an uptrend, obviously, and now prices lost momentum on this descending trend line. That indicates prices have a higher possibility of pumping higher. And obviously, we know in election years, the dollar always rallies and closes the end of the year with a bullish note. So that's what I'm counting on. That's what I'm anticipating on. The fundamental aligned and the technicals align. So obviously, that's my bias, and that's what I'm anticipating to see. Now, how's that's gonna be affecting other currency pairs? We have Euro USD. Obviously, this is from the weekly perspective. Prices have broken these lows, and last week prices closed with a doji, so obviously a lack of momentum. I'll be anticipating to see a bearish continuation from here. We do have GBP USD, same thing. You can see last week prices closed with a doji on a resistance structure, so obviously I'm anticipating to see a bearish continuation from there. It's pretty basic. Obviously, most of the pairs you can see are actually very clear. We just have to get the confirmation. Obviously, we can't take the trade without the proper confirmations, but that's my bias. We do have the other index, JPIX. JPIX, obviously, prices have closed on a resistance with a doji, a lack of momentum. So obviously, I'm anticipating to see prices sell. And obviously, because they're inversely correlated to DXY, and DXY will be bullish, so JPIX will obviously be bearish. So I'm anticipating to see this one sell. Now, how will this be impacting the other JPY pairs? We got Euro JPY. I'm anticipating to see a bullish rally. Obviously, you can see prices are on a resistance, are on a support, closed with the doji. So obviously, a bullish rally. We do have CAD JPY. With CAD JPY, prices haven't really reached the support structure that I'm looking for, but I'm also bullish biased on this pair. However, if I am to choose which pair to trade this week between CAD JPY and Euro JPY, I'll obviously choose Euro JPY because it's actually much more suited and it's much more aligned than CAD JPY, as you can see. Now, with that being said, we also do have USD JPY. Obviously, prices are on a support. I'm anticipating to see prices take off from here and, create more higher highs. So I'll be bullish biased on USD JPY this week. Now, we do have gold. With gold, it's a bit tricky. Let me show you how. You can see it's been ranging. Now, from the daily, you can see prices hit this support, right? However, the trend or the main structure, you can see prices broke below these lows. As prices created this low, and then once they reached there, they created some kind of a lower low. So I'm actually kind of bearish biased, but we still don't have the proper confirmations. Now, if prices break below here, give us a retest, then we'll be looking for sells where prices will be continuing. But until then, I'll just be waiting to see what happens. For me to take a bullish trade, prices will have to break above here. I'll be taking it one step at a time. So from here, I'll be looking for a retest, and then my take profit will be somewhere here. And then should prices break again above here, I'll be looking for that candle move. And then for prices to give me that. So those are my views on how gold is going to be trading, but I'm bearish biased. So until prices break up below here, I'll be looking for, I'll be staying out of the markets until prices break below here. Then I'll be looking for sells. If prices break above here, I'll be looking for buys. So that's my view on the market, guys. If you found value, consider giving us a like and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. Till next time, guys. Cheers.